Now we're cooking. All these joints are popping apart. The glue is dry. Well, it should be because it's been over like 12, 14 hours. I invented a new type of chair. It's the guest dumper. These two legs that are in the front are supposed to be on the back. They're an inch shorter. This makes the chair have an inch drop this way. So whenever the guest sits down, they're going to be constantly sliding out of their chair. Your guest will just feel the constant urge to get up and leave. You're welcome. Yes, this was an accident. So yeah, we're going to be learning about how to dissolve wood glue now. Okay, let's start off with figuring out what legs are longer. 17, 16, 16. These legs are a whole inch shorter. Now, that might not seem like a significant thing, but it is. So it looks like there's two options that I found. One is acetone or one is white vinegar. We got a special cooking recipe that we'll be doing. Your standard white vinegar, a rag, and wood glue and wood. This won't be very tasty. What we need is white vinegar and a rag. Now you can heat up the white vinegar supposedly to make the joint come apart faster, but either way it's going to take a few hours, even possibly a day. So basically I'm just dumping some white vinegar in there and just trying to work it into the joints, and then I'm going to clean up the excess white vinegar so hopefully I don't break apart the boards that make this seat of the chair. So I tried vinegar and let that set, and then it wouldn't come out. I even tried after a few days of adding vinegar, letting it set, and then didn't get very far. It did loosen the top surface, but didn't get down deep enough for the legs to pop out. So it's now been drying for a few days, and I'm not mixing these two together. And now I'm trying acetone, and it did really quickly cause it to start flaking. So there's hope if it soaks down deep enough, I still might get these legs out of this chair top. So as you know, I had to pop these legs out of this seat. So I used acetone, soaked it in, got 3 of the legs out. The trick is using a punch, going around the base of the leg, punching the little holes just into the wood, just between the leg and the wood, just so the acetone can travel into there. Now we got only one more leg to go, and I'm hoping this will be the one time that this will pop apart. Yeah, looks like it's coming. Yeah! Woohoo! We got it free! So the process I need to go through, measure, make sure the legs are in the right length for the front and the back so we don't run into the same problems as before. Sand these. Now, I'm going to want to glue these into place at the same time I correct the problems that, the damage that happened when I was removing the legs, and that is the chair, the wood that was laminated together, splitting apart. It's so much fun to sand out these, I'm gonna actually find a power tool to do the work for me. So I'm just adding a generous amount of glue on the chair and on my workbench top and on the floor, because that helps everything stick together all the better. Man, I came so close to doing that again. I promise this is not purposeful. There we go. So let's put this aside here. Time to clamp this thing in place and hope it doesn't just blow apart. This chair is no longer a guest dumper. It was interesting seeing how the white vinegar and the acetone acted differently. Definitely the acetone works so much better. Even if you found that something's been glued together wrong, hope is not lost. Don't throw it out. You can probably salvage it using acetone.
So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can keep up to date with more videos as they come out, and hit the thumbs up button and comment down below. Would love to hear from you guys. And we'll see you in future videos.